Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to connect SEMrush to Looker Studio. That's very easy, okay? All you need to do is go to your Looker Studio dashboard, and then here at the left-hand panel, click on Create, and then click on Data Source. Now from here, I want you to search SEMrush. We'll use a connector by, we can use SEMrush itself or Supermetrics. Now this one is completely free, okay? But these only offer you position tracking and domain analytics. And if you want to use it, for example, for projects or just SEMrush analytics in general, you can use Supermetrics. They have a 14-day free trial. So you just choose this one. Okay, click on Authorize, and you'll get this pop-up. You basically need to choose your Google account. So I'll choose this one right here. And then what we need to do is go ahead and, of course, authorize SEMrush itself. So click here and authorize. Okay, it's going to open up another pop-up, and we will have to authorize SEMrush. So here we go. It is loading up. All we need to do is click here on Start. Okay. You can scroll down and see everything that they will receive. You can approve all of this. And there you go. As you can see, it has connected successfully. You can just come here at the bottom right and click on Complete and Continue. And it's really that easy and simple. And there you go. We can now just select our account. Okay, choose our query types. Click on Next. And then go over and connect to our data source.